At last, the bar is out the workshop and we'll be able to give it a good tidy when we get back. Here it is in a van ready to go. We've got all these mats padding it out. Just fits in. No room for tools though, so we're going to go take this down, unload it and then come back for tools. I was going to show you us putting it in, but it was heavy. Right then, let's get on our way. Jacob's on his phone again while I put it all in on my own. This is the bar on its test fit with the oak top on. And as you can see, looking pretty good. Overhang's just what we wanted. Quite a big overhang, which is good because then you can push your stools underneath. The pillars are looking good. Paintwork is going to get one more coat of white eggshell. Anywhere where you can see anything like this, this will disappear once we put the plinth and the pillar into position. None of it's screwed or clamped together or anything like that. It's just a test fit to make sure we built everything the correct size. In that compartment there's going to be a couple of fridges. We have a cover for that part there. Leave it there. We'll be back tomorrow with all the gear. Put all the tools in the van tonight. And then we can get everything completed tomorrow on a full day's work. Back, day 2 on site. Customers kindly placed the first component of the bar where we need it. And so we can match everything up to that perfectly. Just nearly fell over. Went all dizzy then. Right, tools are all here. We've got everything we need for today. The stools are lovely, what the customers bought, by the way. We've got the MFT set up here. The multi-function table, which is an old crappy table. And our styles. And the little evolution saw, which comes in dead handy on little jobs like this. Well, quite big job, but little cuts. And away we go. First thing, what's going to happen then, Jake's going to take all this outside and get several coats of Danish oil applied. Well, not several, one good coat of Danish oil applied to the underneath, so we don't have any warping or cupping. I'm going to start putting the bar together where it needs to be, attaching it with some 100mm screws through all these areas here. They'll be filled afterwards underneath there, and then I'll start on putting the top on, and then the next job will be adding to all the joins, adding the pillars and the plinths, and then adding the skirting board around the bottom. It's all real simple, it's just a big jigsaw. Jake's popping Danish oil on the bottom. Obviously whatever you do to the top you have to do to the bottom. We don't want any cupping like the client had on the last oak they bought, because they bought it months ago for another joiner who didn't turn up on the task. Well, 2 joiners actually didn't turn up on this task. So the oak that they bought months ago, they had major problems with it cupping, so it had to be replaced. So Danish oil at bottom first out here, leave it to cure for a while over here, and while that's happening I'm in here attaching the bar, some nice gold turbo screws, single thread wood screw, real nice screws, going lovely. And I've put 3 at this side, they'll be filled, and it's as simple as we'll fill these later, paint over. There we go. Yeah. And I just need to do that on all the parts of the bar. We just need to cut a hole here for the sockets, because the fridges are going here, so we're going to cut it out with a multi-tool. The bar's going right up against the wall, so I'm just marking. It's exactly where we want it now. I'm just marking on the skating board we're going to use the multi-tool to remove a little bit of that. Mark on both sides. Like that, and then I'll remove that. I had a little bit no more nails, so it was stuck. Hello everybody, my name is Karl Woodcraft. I am using the domino. I don't know why I did that. Right, anyway, I'll leave it in. Right, so we're using the domino for the alignment of the weight at top, and then we'll push it, clamp it and push it all together nice and tight, and then screw it in from underneath on these parts here. On the bar we've got the tight setting, so they fit perfect, and on the other side of the bar we've got the setting which gives us some movement, some slop in there. So when I put this part of the bar on, if I need it to move, I can tap this part of the bar rejector from side to side and it'll move to fit perfect, and these ones will stay locked in position. I'm attaching all the extra posts and the plinths, the skirting board. Real simple, there's no miters at all on any of these, it's just butt joints, so all we're doing is filling in the gaps like a big jigsaw now. There was a gap here where the two bars met, right in the middle. We've got a post, we've got the plinth at the bottom, two skating boards. Skating board attached there. Again, central plinth, pillar.
No, just me standing up.
What, when you stand up? Jacob's just doing the touching up now. We're touching up any little marks, any bits of filler. We've done all the caulking. Everything's looking really good now. Almost there. Just time consuming. The top's looking nice, we'll give it all a good sand. We've rounded over the inside. These are the two bits that I forgot, what I didn't count, and they've had two coats, but they're going to need a couple more. Just applying this Danish oil now. Real simple finish. Danish oil is great because it's got oil in it, obviously, in the name, oil, and it's also got a varnish in there as well, so when you add several coats of it over a few days, leaving secure in between each coat, you get a real nice build up of protection which highlights the grain really nicely and gives that natural beauty. All completed. Looking good. Got a real nice crisp finish on everything. I'm happy with the design. I think it's everything the client wanted. I've not been able to show you everything we've done on the last couple of days while we've been doing this, because obviously I'm trying to get the job done. But if you've got any questions or out like that, just ask me in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. I've left the client some Danish oil so she can apply a few more coats every couple of days while it cures. It is really cold in here, they need to get some heaters. If you've enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, comment. And there has been a few people say that they've not been made aware that the videos have been released. If you hit the notification bell, that'll help with that. Hopefully YouTube should tell you then that the video has been released. And that's the end of the epic bar build. I'll take some photos now. And thanks to all Patreons and for everyone who's watched. And I'll see you on the next one.
1, 2, 3.